Morning children, open your new Sparkle semester series, Junior KG, semester 2nd book. Yesterday what we have learned? We have learned yesterday V for vegetables, V for vegetables, V for vulture, V for vulture, V for vase, V for vase. And one more alphabet we learned is small w. W for wool, W for wool, W for watch, W for watch, W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Yes or no? Now we will learn small new alphabet, that is X. That is X. X for box, X for box, X for ox, X for ox, X for Xmas tree. This is called X for Xmas tree. X for box, X for ox, X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. We will trace the lines to complete the pattern. We will trace the line to complete the patterns here. In this way, you have to go on doing. This is just slanting line we have to give. See here. Small X we will write now. Write the letter X. So this side one we have given no line. See here. This side one line. And now this side one line. X for box. Small x. X for box. Small x. X for box. X for box. X for box. X for box. Then X for ox, 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 X for ox. Then this one, X for Xmas tree, 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 X for box, X for box, X for ox, X for ox, X for box, X for box, X for ox, X for ox, X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree. This is an ox. This is an ox. This is an ox. Color the Xmas tree. Color the Xmas tree. You have to give the outline this way. And then you have to go on giving the color. Color the Xmas tree. This way slowly you just go on. Then you can give the color for this Xmas tree. Okay. After that, come to learn one more new alphabet, that is Y. Y for yarn. Yarn. Y for yacht, Y for yacht, Y for yak, Y for yak. So, trace the lines to complete the pattern. So, you have to trace the line like this. This way you have to go on writing. And then this one is just come This way you have to go on writing. Okay, now trace the letter Y. Y for small y. Y for yarn. 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 Y for Aaron. Yarn. Y for air. Y for yarn. Y for yarn. Y for yarn. Y for Aaron. Y for Aaron. Y for Aaron. Okay, now Y for yacht. 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 Y for yak. 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 Y for yarn. Yarn. Y for yarn. Y for yarn. Y for yarn. Y for yacht. Yacht. Y for yacht. Y for yak. Y for yak. You have to give the outline. You have to give the outline like this. Okay, and then you have to color this. Yak. Yarn. Y for yarn. Yarn. Y-A-R-N. Yarn. Yacht. Y for yacht. Yacht. Yak. Yak. This way you say and write. This is a yak. This is a yak. Say and after writing this, after writing in your notebook, workbook, after completing your workbook, you write in your 4-line book. You have to write in your 4-line book. Yesterday I have asked you to write. See here. Yesterday I told you to write V. I have showed small letter V and small letter W. W also I have completed W. See here. You can see W. As soon as you complete, then what you will write? Small letter X. In your 4-line book. You have your 4-line book, no? In that you have to write. See here. And this is your X. This way you have to write. X for box. X for box. X for ox. X for ox. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Okay. This way you have to read and write. Read and write. X for box, X for box, X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree, X for ox, X for ox. This way. Now, small letter. As soon as you complete your work from the textbook, you come to your 4-line book. X, and this is small y. This is small y. I'll show you how to write y also. You see where I am writing. Okay, and in which line I am writing. See here. Y. Y for yarn. 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 This way you have to write. Then you have to write here Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Y for yak. Y for yak. Y for yak. This way you have to say and write. Y for yarn. Y for yarn. Y for yacht. Y for yak. Have you understood? Have you understood now what you have to say and write? Yes, this is a yak. Color the Xmas tree. And now we will come to the last alphabet, that is Z for zebra. Z for zinnia. It is a name of a flower. Z for zinnia. Z for zebra, small z this is, and Z for zip. Z for zip. Trace the line to complete the pattern. Trace the line to complete the pattern. Just gives here. Middle line, just middle line you have to give. This way, and then slanting line. Like this you have to go. Okay, this is one more new alphabet. And now trace the letter Z. Trace the letter Z. Z for zinnia. Z for zebra. Z for zip. Now Z for zinnia. 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 Z for zebra. 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 Z for zip. Z for zip. Z-I-P, zip. Zip. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zinnia. Z for zinnia. Z for zip. This is a zebra. We have completed in your book now. This is the textbook. We have completed the work from the textbook. As soon as you complete your textbook, you come to your 3-line book. Small letter Z. See here. This is your 4-line book. You write in your 4-line book as soon as you complete. Okay, see here. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for Xenia, Z for Xenia, and Z for zip, Z for zip. Okay. Z for Xenia, Z for Xenia, Z for zebra, Z for zebra, Z for zip, Z for zip. You have to write for 2 pages. Now I have completed your small letters A to Z. A to Z, small letters A to Z. Now see here, you have to write small letters X I have completed, not today. X, Y, Z. See here. X, Y and Z. Read and write X for 2 pages, Y for 2 pages, Z for 2 pages. You have to read and write. Capital letters A to Z, 1 page you write. And A to Z, capital and small letters. A to Z I have completed, write for 2 pages. Okay children? Thank you. We will meet in the next video.